All right, okay, so we've got a stain on the carpet here, as you can see, which is going to need some cleaning. So I'm going to use a spotless go for this one. So I'm just going to dab it with a water wipe, because obviously the stain's not fresh, just to get the worst of it off. And then I'm going to get my spotless go. I'm using the Vax fluid at the moment, so I'm going to switch them on, give it a bit of a spray. I'm using a brush attachment as well, which I can interchange with this one if I need to, which is rubber. And I'm going to extract. I haven't got much liquid left, but I should have plenty to do this job. I'm going to turn it off a minute. I've run out of liquid now. See, as you can see, the tank is quite small. Yeah, so you will run out of liquid quite easily. It's not designed for big jobs. Now, admittedly, I have done more than one job. And switch them on. What you'll see I did there is I took my brush attachment off because it's really flat, so I can actually get it to glide right across the surface for a better extraction. And obviously, as you can see, the stain is now gone. And it's not too wet either. It's just not bad at all. Another useful, to be honest with you, since I've got the spotless go, I seem to be using it more. Right, cheers, bye.